Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Cassie. So today I'm going to teach you how to cut and dice a butternut squash. So first you're going to cut off both ends of the butternut squash like I do here. And then it didn't want to sit level on the cutting board, so it rolled off. And it's a hard vegetable to cut. So you're just going to cut it right down the middle, leaving the big part like kind of go up towards the top of it, because in the base of your butternut squash there's a bunch of seeds, and you're going to want to scoop those out after you have peeled the skin off of your butternut squash. And so I'm just taking it and peeling it right now and getting all that hard skin off. And then I'm just taking my scraps and I'm putting them into a bowl that I'm going to run out to our field for the rabbits to eat. You guys can also compost any vegetable scraps. I personally don't. I would like to, but we haven't composted here. It's something that I would like to look into. So I'm just peeling the base of the butternut squash right here. And be careful of your fingers, guys. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just peeling the skin off. You're going to use it in recipes. So get off all that hard skin. Yep, so I'm still gathering up all of that. And the rabbits, and I think the birds sometimes go out there and eat the scraps too. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just cutting down a little bit because it's super hard. So go ahead and take a big kitchen spoon and peel out all those seeds. And guys, you can use the seeds for roasting. They are actually pretty good. You can put some Himalayan sea salt on it. Honestly, you can make them sweet and do sugar and cinnamon. Honestly, guys, I just took the seeds and I put them in the bowl to throw out for the rabbits to munch on. But I have in the past roasted the butternut squash seeds, and they come out just like pumpkin seeds. And they're pretty tasty and nutritious. So I cut it down in half. It was just easier to hold it to scoop them out, as you can see. And I'm just putting them in the bowl. And get off as much as you can of all that string stuff. It's kind of like cutting into a pumpkin. And honestly, it smells the same. Okay guys, so I was just cleaning off the cutting board to get ready for dicing, and this was used in a recipe that I will do probably next week for you guys. Oh, that is my hack right there. So you take a wet paper towel or a napkin and you place it under your cutting board, and that prevents it from slipping. And it makes it so much easier because, as you can see, the butternut squash was moving on me as I was cutting it. So I only needed that to move and not the cutting board. So it's just a little hack I came up with a long time ago. I saw it somewhere, maybe on Pinterest, I think. Like kitchen hacks. So I'm just dicing it kind of big. and putting it in my bowl. You guys can dice it according to the recipe that you're using it for. You can roast the butternut squash, and that is really yummy. This was actually used to make in butternut squash soup, and that recipe I am hoping to get out to you guys next week. And it was pretty tasty. I did it in the Instant Pot, so it was super quick, but it's great on those nights when it's cold outside, rainy, or you've had a hard day at work and you want soup and you want it easy and quick. And I really like that recipe. So when I get that recipe done for you guys, I will come back and link it into this description box. And so it'll be out sometime next week. So keep an eye out for that. So yeah, just continue to dice it until you have the entire thing completely done. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my tutorial on how to cut a butternut squash. You guys can leave me a comment down below. We greatly appreciate each and every one of you. You guys can also follow me over on Instagram, life_with_Cassie_85. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you guys in the next video.